All right, YouTube, RC Lego guy here. Just got this Eachine E120. You can purchase this on banggood.com. I'll share a link in the description. Here's the remote. It's got 3 speeds. Speeds on this are basically how far it will bank. One is limited banking for inside, to 3 being if it's windier out and you're flying outside. This is how it automatically goes up, and then when you want to land, you press this button and it automatically goes down. And then normal controls from there. So the battery's right here. It says it'll have a 15-minute flight time. We'll check that out. But this helicopter's pretty nice. All right, let's do the maiden flight. We'll do it in the easiest mode, 1, to start. And in 1, you can see it's limited banking. Limited banking. 2, you get a lot more banking on it. Goes a lot faster. And then 3, you can see a lot more bank and a lot faster. That's about as fast as it'll go. But it holds. Still getting used to it. But all you have to do is press a button and she'll automatically land and shut off.